Welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Time frame you in, time zone you in. Thank you for joining. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. I gotta put my P&L up. Gotta put that up real quick. All right, let's go. Excuse me. Man, I hope you had a good weekend. It was a pretty long, I ain't gonna lie, the weekend felt long. To me, it felt really long. Yo, are those your Asia and London highs marked in white? No, those are just highs. I just marked some highs. Not at all. Not at all. I mean, you could say that, but I'm not usually technically using sessions to mark highs and lows. I don't really use sessions to mark highs and lows. I just usually look at liquidity points and that's it. Points of interest, fractals, and that's it. I mean, I don't really have to mark it. I kind of know what like the session is at during the time frame. But yeah, technically not. No. But yeah, anyways, let me get to it. You know, before the market opens up, we got like 18 more minutes before the volume starts kicking in. East that, yeah, this is different. It has to be different, you know. Pretty much, that's it. Scalp, pretty much. Or if the play looks really well, you know, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. From the looks of it, from the looks of this, it's starting to set up pretty good. Starting to set up pretty nicely for the longs. If we respect this, change is good. Yes, it is. You know, you can't stay the same. Either you're going backwards or you're going forwards. It's one of the two. You know. Let's get into this word. I mean, you might be a follower of Christ. You may not be a follower of Christ, but I gotta give you this word. It's only right. We have Matthew chapter 16, verse 24. Then Jesus said to his disciples, which is the topic is take up your cross and follow him. Then Jesus said to his disciples, and also I'm gonna get to the like I said, guys, I read the scripture Monday through Friday before I even start charting and start trading. So I gotta get the word out. So I believe that's more important than anything. Back to it. So then Jesus said to his disciples, if anyone desires to come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me. For whoever desires to save his life will lose it. Let me turn this down. For whoever desires to save his life will lose it, but whoever loses his life for his sake will find it. What does Jesus mean by whoever desires to follow him, pick up his cross and follow him, right? For whoever desires to save his life will lose it. What does he mean? How can we desire to save our life, we'll lose our life? If we desire our life, how do we lose it? And whoever loses his life for his name's sake will find it. Jesus is telling us that to deny ourselves, we need to deny ourselves, deny our fleshly ways, our fleshly desires. If we want to follow God and seek God and do the will of God, we have to deny this flesh. Because following Jesus is walking in that spirit. If we're going to follow Jesus and follow Christ, we're going to have to deny our flesh continually, day and night, every single day, putting off the desires of our heart, the things that we find that leads to sin, right? That leads to selfish gratification. He wants us to deny ourselves. And if we deny ourselves, we will find ourselves. When we deny ourselves and we follow Christ and pick up our cross daily, we will find our life. God is going to make us whole and new creation. But he says, whoever loses his life for his name's sake will find it. So if we deny ourselves of our fleshly desires and we follow Christ every day, and how does that look like following Christ? One, putting down our desires of our flesh. And two, following Christ is doing things of the will of the Father. What is the will of the Father? It's being obedient to the Father, you know, following his commandments, staying in prayer, meditating on this book day and night, right? Yeah. And he says, for what profit is it to a man if he gains the whole world and loses his own soul? Right? How can you lose your soul? How can you lose the thing that you are, right? The thing that you are is very valuable. You are a soul in a body, right? But if you want to gain the whole world, what is gaining the whole world? It's pleasing the flesh. The things that pleases the flesh, the things that we find that satisfy our most deepest desires. If we're seeking these things and constantly live out for these things, you're gonna lose your soul, because this whole time in your whole life you haven't put your faith and trust in the Lord to make you a new creation, to help you to be perfect and whole in this life, right? So if we continue to please the flesh, then we lose the one thing that was most important at the end, was our soul. But if we put down the flesh and to walk that faithful walk with God, then we will become whole. We will become new creation in Christ. It's a tough battle, y'all. It's a really tough battle to walk in Christ, to constantly put our faith in Him. It gets tough, Every day we sin, right? So first thing we do in the morning, we sin. We might curse in the morning. We might yell in the morning. Might yell at our kids, or might complain. Might become stressed or selfish. The things we do as soon as the sun rises, we become selfish. We do the things that we want. Might pick up our phone and just start looking at things that we're not supposed to, right? We are fleshly beings. We always try to desire the things of our flesh, but if we continue to put down the flesh and pick up the spirit, then we become whole with Jesus Christ, right? And it says right here, for what profit is it to a man if he gains the whole world and loses his own soul? Or what would a man give in exchange for his soul? For the Son of Man will come in the glory of his Father with his angels, and then he will reward each according to his works. Surely I say to you, there is something standing here who shall not taste death till they see the Son of Man coming in his kingdom. Jesus is saying right here that for the Son of Man will come in his glory of his Father with his angels. Then he will reward each according to his works. Even though we're saved by faith, we are saved by faith through works, right? And not by works. But we have to work out our salvation. We could be saved. We could believe in Jesus Christ, even though the enemy believes in Jesus Christ, right? The enemy does. The devil does. He believes in him, but he's not following him. We have to, even though we believe in Christ, we have to constantly believe in him every single day. Put our faith in him every single day. Deny ourselves every single day. This is what it means to be a disciple of Jesus Christ. To pick up our cross and walk with him day and night. The Brinks truck ain't pulling up to your heart. Hey, but yeah, God bless y'all, man. Look, this walk ain't easy. That's the free gift of salvation is free. It's meant to be a free gift. You don't have to work to get it, but to continue to put your flesh down and to pick up your cross, you will be rewarded. You're going to be rewarded for continually denying your flesh. You're going to be rewarded for continually to put off the fleshly desires and pick up that cross and walking with Christ. And if you do this, and like Jesus said, he said, he who endured testing to the very end will receive the crown of life. If you endure to the very end, constantly repenting of your sins, constantly denying your flesh, constantly being obedient and faithful to the very end of your life, you will receive the crown of life. And you will be rewarded. Not only getting into heaven, but you will be rewarded for all of your works of faith, your faithful works, right? You can't just sit here and say, I have faith. It's easy to say, yeah, I believe in Christ, and go back to lusting. I believe in Christ, and then go back to cursing. I believe in Christ, and then go back to the sinful desires of your flesh. Lust of the eyes and lust of the flesh. I do it every day, guys. I sin every day. But if you continue to repent, change your heart, change your ways, and say, you know what, this ain't right, and you will be forgiven. The Brinks truck ain't pulling up to your casket. Oh, the cat. Oh, your cat. But hey, man, let's get it. Let's get it, man. God bless. Also, like this right here, we got Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5. One of my favorites. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Lean not on your wisdom, your own wisdom, because we are all fools in the sight of God. And don't lean on your own understanding, but in all of your ways, seek the Lord's will, and he will show you the right path. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all of your ways, seek his will, and he will show you the path. You have to trust him. Don't lean on this, because if you lean on your own understanding, how would you know that you wouldn't entrap yourself, go the wrong way, lose certain things that you're supposed to keep, or keep certain things that you're not supposed to lose? You know, you gotta put your faith in him, because remember, he's all knowing, all wisdom, he's all good and all holy. When you want to put your faith and trust in him, call on him, communicate to him. All right. I would do the same. I got to continue to call on him and pray to him and continue to communicate. No matter what time of the day it is, no matter if you're just waking up, no matter if you're just going to sleep, pray to him, call on him, and he will show you the right path. All right, amen. Let's get it. Let's get it. Market's opening up in 9 more minutes. 9 more minutes. We got the market open up in 9 more minutes. Let's see. What do we have here? Got a block. Looks like we're taking out these longs. Hey, I might, once this market open, I might go long. We're going to see. We don't really have no news today, though. We don't really have no news today, but we're going to see. Volume's kicking in. All right, let me look at some other markets while this market is, while the NQ is kind of playing out. So we're going to look at, let's look at ES. Let's look at ES. I'm gonna look at some markets while we're doing this. Okay. Ooh. All right. Previous day high. Previous day low. I mean, that's not previous day high. Previous day. This is previous day high. My bad. That was weekly low. We're going for that week high. Can we go for this high? Respect. All right, let me know in the market. Let me know in the chat what markets y'all trade. Let me know in the chat what markets y'all trade. Market's about to open up in 8 more minutes. Well, the volume's about to kick in. Hey, yo, no news is a good sign. We don't have to get no crazy slippage and no crazy volatility and have to just play really. You know, I like it when it's like, I like news days, and I like it when the news days are like obvious that we're going long or obvious that we're going short. I don't like the news days that we just chopping up and down, flip-flopping, bouncing, hitting liquidity. Man, I can't stand it. But no news days, you can really catch a decent play, because the market tend to have not the most volume, but the volume is consistent. It's really consistent, and I like that. So yeah, I'm on ES right now. I'm seeing ES. Let me get rid of this little box, because this ain't nothing. Got previous day high, previous day low. We in this block. I'm liking this. Hey, we might see a continuation for the longs, but we're not. You know, we're gonna see. We bounced off this block. We're right at this block. Let me go down to a daily. I'm liking how we're respecting this. Can we have a continuation? Even though, yeah, we took out this low, bounced at this block. I like this for the longs. I'm liking this long. Look at a 4 hour on a daily. If we could have a continuation for the longs. 4 hour. Took out this low, bounce right here. That was nice. All right, let's see. Got a block right here. Can we go and take out these highs? That'd be nice. Fair value you got right here. On a 1 hour fair value gap. I'm gonna look at some more markets. I'm gonna look at Dow, Russell, and more markets so we can get an understanding on what's really going on. Took out this liquidity right here. No, we didn't bounce like this. We're gonna see. We got these highs right here. We're gonna see. Important levels right here, y'all. Okay. Take out these lows. 5. Alright. Got any points of interest that we might find? Okay. Alright. Gold. Let's look at gold. That's a good idea. Let's look at gold. Let's look at Oh, gold. Gold is just pushing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Man, gold just been on a run. Gold just been on a run. I'm gonna set this previous day high, previous day low, previous day high. Also the previous day low on gold. Previous day low. If the trend, hey, if the trend is long, don't fight the trend. Unless you get confirmation that this market wants to constantly reverse and go for liquidity for the reversal, then you take that. But if the market is constantly breaking, right? You're right. Look, we're above the previous day high. What would stop us from going long? We got an imbalance right here. Also, we got a lot of good imbalance right here. We could bounce at. Like I would like to see us come back down into this block right here. Bob, so you'd like to see us come back down into this block, but not today though. It don't have to be today. Come and feel this imbalance right here. See this little big old gap right here? I like this. Even though we felt it right here, it's a good indication. Maybe we can come back down and hit this, but that's for later. We're gonna see. Oh, also take out these lows. Ooh, got a nice little block on the 4 hour right here. That's nice. 4 hour block right there. I like that. On gold. See if gold is gonna hold this level though. But we're breaking. See how we bugged this? We're breaking. When we're gonna come back down, I do not know. But as we continue to grind higher, the trend is still long. The higher time frame is still long. We're right above the previous day high. We're respecting the previous day high. Go down to a 5 minute to see. 30 minute look good. 15 minute looks good. We still got an imbalance below, but we don't have to do that today. Question is, are we going to continue to go higher or are we going to go lower? We're going to see. To me, if we don't break this previous day high and we respect these blocks, we're going to go higher. We're going to see. Yep. Yep. All right, let me put a line right here. I'll make it smaller. 5 minute. Got a liquidity right here. We could probably tap into and continue long. Take out that liquidity, maybe continue to have a continuation to the longs. All right, let's look at YM. Look at YM. Let's look at YM. All right. Look at the weekly. Ooh. Let me erase these drawings. The monthly did print too. Yes, sir. Oh wow. Hey yo, this look good. Look at the weekly one more time. Yeah. Can we have a continuation long? I would like this to go long. Yep. This look really good. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Can you get that respect? Market opens up in 1 minute. Market opens up in 1 minute. I mean, it's straight. It's straight. It's sideways though. It's straight. It's straight. All right. Let's look at Russell. Look at Russell real quick on the weekly. Going for these highs. Got a daily fair value gap right here. I mean, not fair value gap, but demand. All right, tap the lows, bounce, respecting this block. I like that. Just grinding higher, just grinding higher. What's up, Kelly? Grinding higher. Yeah, all right, that's sideways. I'm gonna let that be. And what else do we have? Let's try crude oil. Crude oil. Erase these markets. Crude oil. Right. All right, I'm gonna let that be. And heating oil. I mean, yeah, heating oil. Hey, yo, let's see. Market's open for NQ. That long did play out though. On a 4-hour, 15-minute. Let me see. Watch this. Ah, like something bit me. Excuse me. Whoa, are we rejecting right here? Hey, oh. Uh-oh. What in the world? Volatile. Highly volatile. Wow, so volatile. We're look at this block though. This block. Let's see. Took out the liquidity. Well, dang, it would have been nice if we took out this low right here too. That would have been a strong indication for me to take a long. But look how we were rejecting right here. See? Constant rejecting this high. What's up, off the energy? Man, is it me or is it just flicking? It's just so volatile. Yeah, this market is really volatile. Amazing. Wait till this 5-minute print. Excuse me. Oh, big rejection. Big rejection. Look at this. What happened? Big rejection. I'm gonna let this 5-minute print. Let the 5-minute print. What else did we take out? Did we take out anything else? Man. Nope. Okay. Amazing. I'm gonna try long up here. Put my stop at the lows. I just want to see what happens right here. I might even add more if we respect this. 15. What's this? 15. We're gonna see. Five-minute prints in a few. What can be first TP? I need to find TP. Now. TP now. Let's see, TP. What can I be TP? I don't know. I'm not seeing it. Probably at this previous week high and the previous day high. Yeah, I might do it at this previous day high. Let me see if we respect this. 5-minute did print. 5-minute didn't print yet. Let me get the 13 seconds left, and I might add it to this. Let me look at the 5-minute on the side right here, though. Excuse me. Come on, they're just taking off. Yeah, I don't like that. me look at a tick chart, a transaction chart. I really don't like. I like this play. You know what's crazy? I really don't like this play. I really don't like how it looks. That's what's so odd about this whole thing. I don't like how it looks. I'm not a fan of this market. Like this market looking like this. How many ticks was this? This was, and I got him right here. That was 80 ticks. Oh, my P&L. I forgot all about that. My bad, y'all. Come on. We need that P&L. Come on, there it is. Oh, come on, really? You couldn't just tap back into this opening range? Oh, man. Well, that is not the opening range. This will be the opening range still. As they continue to push, the target probably will be these highs. Off of 1 micro. I mean, that's not too bad. I want to add it more, but I would have liked for it to come back down. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. All right. I would have added more, but yeah, that's lame. Like I would expected, like, you know, I would have expected if we would have came back down and tapped into this right here, then I would have added more. I mean, yeah, but something like, you know, I would have expected this red camera to come here, pop, hit it, and then I would have like added more right here. But I don't like when it doesn't. You know, we in MNQZ right now. MNQZ. I don't know what contract. I think, are we in the contract of U or Z? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I mean, if I had to guess, I mean, I could look it up right now. Let me see. Let me go online and see. If I had to go look it up. Let me ask Grok. Let me ask Grok. Are we in MNQU? MNQU or MNQZ contract? Not, oh my goodness. Are we in MNQU or MNQZ contract? Bro, why is it? Can't stand autocorrect. All right, we come back down. I know. All right, I know we in this, but which one is it? Why they gotta give me so much stuff? Which contract are we in? September, December. Bro, what? Did we roll over yet? That's the question. Which one are we in? Oh, it hit. Okay. Which one are we in? MNQU. We're still in September's contract. We are in MNQU right now. That's what Grok told me. You know what I mean? Grok telling me. Excuse me. Grok said we are in MNQU. All right, here we go. Came right back down. Let's see, respect. I'm gonna make this pink. I like the color that it kind of shows. It looks like really cool. All right, let's see. I'm gonna actually make it a little brighter. Something like that. All right, here we go. Are we gonna hold this level, or are we gonna reject right here? Let me add more right here. Ah, really? I wanted to add more right here, but it just couldn't. Just tiny drop. Just a tiny drop. That's all I needed. Just a tiny drop. Are we bouncing off anything? Yes. I need to add more. If it'll give us that entry though. Let me look at this fair value gap right here, inversion. See if it respect, I might add right here. Fair value gap. Okay, coming back down, coming back down, coming back down. Can you give me that nice entry? Just pop down and give me that nice entry, bro. Nice entry. Nope. Nope. Couldn't even give it to me. That would have been nice. I would have taken it. Now, if to add more, I would have added more right now. But man, that would have been nice. Dang, bro, you couldn't just hit that one time, bro. Dang, man. All right. Oh well. All right. See, we respect this fair value gap right here on this block, right? Fair value gap. Tap into it one more time. If we tap into it and respect it, I'm adding. I want to see on a 30-second. Okay. See what we do right here. Okay, okay, okay. I mean, it ain't too bad. Okay, ooh. Respect that halfway point. Oh, we got a fair value gap right here though. Can we just like, can we just liquidity grab that? Ooh, please, just like 1 sec, just one drop into that. I'll be happy. Just happy. Oh, come on, please, just give me that. Just one. You know what? I even add more into this. Hold up. I might do 2. 39. It's not giving. Wow. That's lame. Come on, that's lame. Halfway on that fair value gap. How many ticks is this? Two something. It probably would have my entry probably would have moved up like right here somewhere. My entry probably moved up right here, which is 129 ticks. To sweep that, how much is that? If I was to do 150, how many contracts do I need? 150 in micros. 150, if I did 10 times 150, right? That's 1,500. So that's 2 minis. If I did 2 minis to sweep out the low, let me see, 2 minis, that would be 19. I need 19 contracts. So 19 contracts on top of this one would be really nice to sweep. 5-minute prints in 40 seconds. 5-minute prints. Oh, 15-minute prints in 40 seconds. 15-minute prints in 40 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's see. See if we can come back down. Ooh, respecting this fair value right down to 2-minute. I like that. Let me get rid of this. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go. We're gonna sweep, come back into this fair value gap and bounce. Please. 11 seconds on the 15-minute. Come on. 2 seconds left. Here we go. Dang, no. Excuse me. 15-minute, really? Come on, huh? Come on, reject real quick. Not give us a little wick, the wick. Okay. Oh, it's holding. That's lame. Come on. That's lame. Nice drop right here. See, we're not breaking, but I like this. I like this green candle. Shows really show control. I did not like this red candle right here. I just want to see a sweep. If we could just sweep down, right? Sweep down, hit this little box right here. I'll be happy. Excuse me. A lot of choppiness. Come on. Give us that drop. like that. Man, we about to pump, probably. Yeah. Come on, give us that sweep. And I'm gonna add more once we tap into that. See, respect this block. I like how he's respecting the block. I like that. I just want to see us like wick down. Come on, wick to this fair value gap. Take out this low, bop, respect. Come on, come on. Give us that. I'm gonna do 15 with 4 right here too. With 4, so it's 19. Yeah, there we go. So we on top of each other. There we go. 19. Come on, just come down to it. There we go. Can we get that sweep? Okay, okay. Ah, give it. Give it, no. Alright, we got this entry. I gotta keep a tight stop though. I don't want to lose too much on this play. Just in case we get this big fumble. All I need is what? This high to get broken. See if they give it to us. See if they give it to us. Let me see. Ooh. Okay, 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 okay. A little rough, a little rough. I might keep it tight though. I might keep it tight. I might keep it tight. Let me see. I'm gonna put a 120 distant on that. Let me see. Something like that. See if they'll give us that pullback. There we go. Nice. Can we take out this high again now? Hit this fair value gap, took out this low. Let's see if we can take out these highs now on the 15-minute. See the continuation on the 15-minute, and we'll hit our max for the day. Come on, respect this fair value gap and give us a nice little pull. 15-minute. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. You know you want to go up there. See, I'm going to see up here. So since I'm right here, let's see. I just need 150. 150 right there. Sweep at the highs, and I'm happy. Like this red candle. I like this. This play looks really good. Really, really good. We just need to get the continuation. Really good trade. Yeah. There we go. Uh-oh. Can we get that? Can we get the continuation? I'm gonna stop close again. Come on. One more sweep. One more sweep, and it's gonna hit us out. Come on. This kind of about to close. If we can stay above this, I'll be happy, happy. I'm so close to the 1500. Ah, come on. Come on. Might take out partials. Ah, come on. On the 45 right here. Give us that continuation. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Can we get that? Can we get that completion? Look at the 2-minute. Okay. 3-minute. Ah. Ooh. So whack, bro. There we go. I'm on a 30-second. 1 minute. Come on. Two minute. 3 minute. 5 minute. All right, here we go. Boom! Boom! Oh my goodness! I made way too much. Way too much. We made way too much. All right, I gotta take some off. Oh my goodness. Hey, that's how you do it. Good stuff. Everybody that took that trade, good stuff. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. 16.95. Not too bad. Not too bad. But look, yeah, that was a nice trade. I ain't gonna lie. That was a really nice trade. My goodness. Hey, I'll be right back. 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 Uh, yeah. Hey, I got into the move. Hey, just kept it. Kept it going. It's beautiful, man. Oh, the trade is still beautiful. Hey, whatever that was. Hey, hey, you know, off the energy, even though we might miss that, I'm gonna still look around. I'm gonna get on my practice account though, cause I ain't trying to trade too much. I ain't trying to trade too much. You know, I caught the good move. We went it. We sized it to the trade. It was, you know. All right, let me break down. I don't know if y'all know how did I find that trade, but let me break it down. Let me show y'all the executions real quick. Give me 1 second. Executions, right? Executions. Pop. Here we go. So what did I see to take this long? What made me take this long? So if we look at a daily, on NQ, I like that. I just liked how we was respecting this area. I liked how we stayed above all of this. You know, like he says, you know what? They had this huge wick, this huge doji right here. We had this huge block, and I liked how we respected this area. And even though we was up here, like kind of halfway up here, I dropped down to a daily, had my previous day low, previous day high, and the weekly high. I said, okay, this market looks long. For some reason, this market looks like it wants to continue long because the high time frame trend is long, right? It still looks long, even though we swept these lows. So I said, okay, maybe we're gonna have a long. We took out these lows. We might go back up to these highs or with these highs. You know what I'm saying? You know what? Let me go long. I look at a 4 hour. Came down to a 4 hour. What did I see? I see a block. Just in case the market opens and decides to drop down, I was going to use these areas of interest right here. Let me get rid of all of this. I was on a 4 hour. I seen this block, right? Seen this block on a 4 hour. Oh, you had a weird morning? Sorry to hear that. We're going to pick it up though, you know. Thank God for another day. So on a 4 hour, I saw this block and was like, if we do open up and the volume does come in at 8:30 or whatever time frame, 9:30, I would like to see a sweep in this fair value gap and even also this 1 hour and continue to go long. That would have been nice. Cause look at this, you know, it's like we creating a AMD, a PMD. AMD. Accumulation, possible manipulation, and distribution. Maybe this would have been a nice play. See? But what happened was it didn't want to do that. It's almost like as if it didn't want to give us this gap fill and to continue off. That 4-hour block in fair value gap, I see. Yeah, I was thinking that, you know, if the 4-hour block is right here, maybe we might have a sweep down right here. Because look how this red candle couldn't break down. This green candle and maybe this next 4-hour candle could have been a sweep down. Hit this 4-hour, bink, 4-hour right here, and then I would have took the long. I was waiting for it. But it's like, okay, why you took the long? What made me take the long was right here. This 5 minute. This 5 minute, I swear, the 5 minute is 1 minute is good too, but that 5 minute is everything. I just noticed how we just kept respecting these blocks, bro. Like we just kept respecting these highs. You see? We just kept respecting it. That right there was telling me, yeah, this market does not. As much as it wants to break down, look at this on the 3 minute, on the 5 minute, these wicks. It did not want it to come down. 3 minute, it didn't want to come down. 2 minute, it didn't want to come down. Also on the 1 minute, it did not want to come down. It just kept building up. I said, okay, this market, the first 3-4 minutes, whatever this time frame is, let's see, first 3, if this 8:30, that's 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes of this market did not want it to come down. What it did was it took out liquidity. You see that? It took out this liquidity right here, took out this liquidity, bounced at this block, and just ran. That's how I knew I need to get into a long. So what it did right here was I got into a one little micro, somewhere up in here, right, somewhere up in here. I don't know exactly. I might go down to a 15 minutes so I can really see it. Right, something right here. Got into a 1 micro. Whatever my highs was, I wanted to go in no more than like 2 minis. I wanted to make at least 1,500 for that account, right? And I put my stop at the lows, right? So I said, okay, this market doesn't want to break down. You know, I look at the 4-hour, you know, high time frame. I see that we could have possibly shot down, came below this point, took out some liquidity, filled this imbalance below, and then possibly had a long. It didn't want to do that because once I seen the market open, it literally stayed above all of this. And I was like, okay, this market is not pushing down because if the market wants to go down, it will go down, and it's not doing it. So my instinct was like, okay, stay long, find a long. I see on the 3 minute, the 2 minute, the 1 minute, this thing is not breaking, right? On the 1 minute through the 5 minute, this market did not want it to break short. All it did was constantly gradually just took out liquidity and just went higher. Also at this block right here, that was a strong indication that right here we was gonna go long. See, this on the 1 hour. This is whatever this is. This is a 1 minute block, right? Look at the 30 second. Let me see on the 30. See, it didn't want to go. It just stayed above. So while I was watching that it was staying above, every time we seen a red candle come in, it respected and just went long. Now the next thing that really caught my 3 minute move was lovely at 8:45. 3 minute move. 3 minute move at 8:45 was lovely. 8:45. The 3 minute move. Yeah, that thing was crazy. That was crazy. So yeah, like when we came back down, what we did, respected this block, came back up, couldn't take out the highs. That was the AMD. You know, that was a smaller time frame AMD. That was just gold, icing on a dang cake, y'all. Icing on the cake. So what I did was right here, I got in right here just to test the market, 1 micro. I let the market run and I waited for development. The market came down, respected this block, came back up, and what happened? It didn't take out these highs. It didn't take out these highs. What happened? It started consolidating. And what I waited for, this fair value gap to get filled. Once that fair value gap got filled, I added 19 more contracts. My entry got moved all the way up here. I waited for my 150 ticks to get hit, and I made the max, whatever it is for the contracts, right? I wanted to keep a tight stop, so I made sure my stop was at least above this low, below this low, and that's what it was. That's the trade, right? I waited for this accumulation, manipulation, and then I waited for the distribution. Perfect trade. Perfect trade. And what else happened? It respected its block too. Beast mode. Hey, perfect. Chef kisses, man. Chef kisses. Chef kisses. That is smart money. But right now, we are, yeah, this market is about to do some crazy stuff. If you in this, be careful. We didn't break on the 15-minute. We're shooting down. I don't know. I'll be careful right here. Market development. That's all I waited for. Yeah, for real. Just start this. Hey, we did it, man. We did it. Good job, y'all. If y'all in the chat, good job. It was a perfect trade. I'm looking for that. If I'm not seeing no AMD, I'm not taking it. Nah. Dang, man. Hey, we'll catch it. We'll catch it. Let's try to catch another one. I'm gonna go into practice mode. Actually, I gotta take off some off this. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to take off some off this trade because this is ugly. Let me dang, I really got it all the way up here? Yeah, that's crazy. Let me screenshot this for the gram real quick. Who says that anymore? For the gram. Let me screenshot this. Let me drag this over real quick. Screenshot it. Give me 1 second, y'all. I gotta show the team what we did. Give me 1 sec. 1 second. Give me a second. We're gonna keep on trading. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep trading. I gotta trade my practice though. I don't wanna keep hurting myself. Alright, give me a second. I'm coming. 1 second. Alright, here we go. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna screenshot this. Alright. Alright. Let's get back to it. Let's see what we got. Let me take off these executions. Actually, no, I'm tripping. I need to take off some because this is too much. This is too much profit. I need nothingness. Too much profit, bro. Give me a second. Let me try to erase some profit real quick. Let me do at least 5. I need to get rid of some profit. At least 200. I'm trying to short this. I'm trying to short this in negative. See if he'll give it to us. I gotta take off. I can't have 1700. I gotta have only 15. See if he'll give us. Oh no. There we go. Come on. I'm not trying to add more. All right. Can we get a drop real quick? This thing is looking like it wants to continue. Oh my goodness. Look how it looks. Like it wants to go along, bro. Come on. I just wanna lose this much. Come on. Just come back down. Yeah, it's not going down. Come on. Yeah, I don't like how this candle stayed above. I don't like how this candle staying above. I don't like that. Come on. Just nice little drop. Let me look at the 15-minute real quick. Don't take this trade. I'm just trying to lose some profits on here. Don't take this trade. Unless you want to. I mean, if you want to, that's on you. 45-minute. Come on. There we go. You know you want to. Just get me out of this. Let me see. Let me do some math real quick. 1695 minus 200. Okay, yeah. Come on, respect this block and just drop. Come on. That's a tough cookie. Come on, huh? I know what this means. All I'm trying to do is lose 200. That's all I need. I just need to take off 200. Come on. Unbelievable. Come on, there's no wicks up here. Respect this block. Yeah. I'm just trying to lose, y'all. I ain't trying to. I'm not trying to lose, but I'm trying to take off some. That's the catch. Come on, just drop back down. Let's at least come back into this block. That'd be so much cleaner. Dang, he really don't want to get up, huh? What's happening is on the combine, I can't have too much, and if I do, they're gonna move the goalpost of the profit target, and I'm not trying to move. I'm not trying to increase the profit target. I blew my funded last week. I think I blew my funded the day before that passed and blew my funded again. It's like crazy. Sizing too heavy. I'm trying to take off some profits. I'm not trying to, and if I add into this, I don't want to take off too much. I want to like take off just enough. Just enough. Oh, come on, bro. I'm not trying to. I'm really just trying to take off some profits, bro. The slippage, cause I had, you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? I had a profit. I had a what is it called again? I had a buy stop, but it slipped past the buy stop. I don't understand where that volume came out, but I had a buy stop and it slipped past the buy stop and added too much, which is crazy. Like when you have a buy stop, it literally slipped past it. Come on, just drop. This thing about to go to the moon, bro. Let me take off executions real quick. Executions. Come on, you look at this wick. Come on. Just reject. Come on. There we go. Come on, just come take out. Give this right here. Come on, just give it a chance. There we go. This too. Look, dang it. There's no wick on this candle. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. That's like, there's literally no wick on these candles. Let me see if I can add more right here. See if I add just 5 more, it'll move my. There we go. I just want to lose no more than 200, bro. Just 2. If we can just get that drop back into that, fill this gap right here. See, I want to see this wick get filled. I mean, just see we ain't got no wick on that candle. Also on the 2 minute. Also on the 1 minute. Come on, bro. Come take out this low, hit this, and we out. Come on, bro. Come on, come on. Get me out of this. There we go. Come on. No. That's lame. That's lame. You didn't even break this. This should be an instant short. Well, yeah. That's what's up. Let's go. We're started. Let's go. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's wick down here, please. Anytime y'all, and this is probably the only time y'all see me want to lose profit. Come on now. This is nice. Come on now. Like this setup is like literally screaming. Hit this. It's screaming you about to hit this, bro. Come on. I can't go no more than 1,500. No more than 1,500. No more. Gotta be kidding me. There we go. Come on. Bring it down. I'm not trying to, if I add too much, it's gonna take off way too much profit. You gotta be joking me. People bought that up so fast. They bought that up so fast. Get out of here, bro. Just give me my mind. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, this is it, bro. Come on. At this point, come on, bro. At this point, this is it. Don't even play. Don't even play. Don't even, look at, there we go. There we go. We did it. Man, it took so long to short. That's one thing I know about them shorts, bro. Shorts, when shorts happen, they happen fast. When longs happen, they just constantly gradually go up. There we go. All right, we got out. We didn't make too much. On a day, done for the day. Keep this up, so. Now, if I want to make it perfect, we can make it perfect, you know what I'm saying? Alright, oh. Hey, about time, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be switching over to practice in a few. Ain't nothing wrong with practicing, you know. Still gonna have the same type of risk. Still gonna take the same type of trades. These shorts coming in heavy. Actually, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Ooh, break, build up, not breaking across. Uh-oh, we're gonna see. Took out those highs. Let's see. Okay. I want to see this market come back down to this. It's like it's gonna do the same thing. Am I tripping? Hey, am I tripping? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Do y'all see the same thing I just seen earlier, right? Right? Isn't this the same thing? Isn't this the same thing? Right? With the liquidity at the bottom, we tap, we bounce, we go long. Right? Isn't it the same thing off the energy? Or am I losing my mind? Look at this 5 minute. Bink, bink, bink. It's gotta be the same trade, bro. Literally, not even a second ago. Literally. I mean, it don't have to be me. We'll see. Cause I like the accumulation. This block, respect this block, take out this low, and then go back for the highs. How many ticks is this if we do bounce at this block? If we don't continue to go short. That's 223 ticks. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, 15 minute. 15 minute, 30 minute. Let's see. Do we have anything that can give us a strong point of like bounce? I'm gonna look at another market too. Ooh. Ooh. Wait a minute. Gotta be careful. Ooh, wait a minute. Yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see how if it respects. I'm gonna go to a practice right now. We're in practice. We have no limit. Let me see my thing. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta change the P&L. P&L's a little crazy. P&L's a little crazy. Let y'all see everything. Show that right there. All right, there it is. All right, there we go. $5 minute on this one, 1 minute on this one. Halfway is right here. 15 minutes, hooking out. Highs right here. We're gonna see, we're gonna see, we're gonna see. I'm liking this. We're gonna see. Keep a tight stop right below this low. We're gonna see. I mean, we don't have to keep it tight. Maybe like that. Macro time coming up. Yes, sir. Yes, it is. Well, we got some time. You know what? You're right. I might have to wait that macro time. We might see some more consolidation. Look at this fake. I would like to see a close at this block. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to see it close at the block, not just tap this low and then just not do nothing right here. Because this looks really good. I mean, you don't have to, though. You don't have to. That's the catch. Here we go. I might start off with like 5. All right, check out that low. Okay. Okay. So strange looking. All right, you don't have to take this. You don't have to take this. You don't have to take this trade. But I'm about to just try something. I'm adding in 5 right here, and I put my stop at the lows for 385. I'm gonna risk 390. I'm gonna put one. Just be careful, y'all, because this market still can shoot down. Just being honest. Market still can go down. I need to look at a high. Okay, 15 minute just printed. We stayed at this. Okay, ooh, that's tough. 15 minute just printed, and we at the halfway point of this opening range break. I just want to see what happens right here. Just want to see what happens right here. Nine minutes on the 15 minute. I think I got in a little too early. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Should have waited probably to. Some lows. It's just a test run, you know. Yeah, we'll see. Gotta be careful right here. Just a test. You don't have to take the trade because we're not in macro time too. Shorts did play out based off us not breaking this high right here and rejecting. See what happened at this halfway point on this 15 minute. 50% of that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was a perfect short. Let's see. No pressure. No pressure. Okay. No pressure. Might keep a tight stop right here. 5 minute print it. I'm gonna make this a 15 minute. I'm gonna make that a 15, make this a 5. There we go. See, I can see it better. Hope we don't reject out this yeah. Yeah. My stop loss is trading automatically because I put right here. You know how you can change market, limit, trailing stop, trailing distance ticks. I want to do for every like 100 tick movement, it moves up a little bit. So I do 120, 100, and I'll put, I will press sell 5. So like right here, see, as you can see right here, I'll put like, okay, so let's say if I picked 100, I press 100 for the trail by ticks, 100 ticks, it'll trail, and then I'll put sell because I'm trying to make the sales, see, and pop, and it will trail it. I usually do that to kind of get that. I usually use it to kind of give me a kind of a stronger visual on how fast and aggressive the market is moving. So like you might see the candles printing, but I just want to see like a line that shows like a lot of quickness, and I kind of get that to kind of get my mind saying, okay, this is picking up. It's, I don't really use the stop loss as much, like as far as like I don't use it like I don't use a stop loss to actually use it. I use it as like a speed indicator to me. See, it kind of keeps my mind like I mean, because you can really see this small little dot on the screen. You see this small little dot, but when you see this bar across this, it kind of gets your mind like, oh, it's picking up, oh, it's shorting down. I use that as like speed. I don't like really using too many indications. I'll bring it, and another thing I'll do, I'll bring it down to kind of like reset it to really see it. Because sometimes when you look at this candle, it's so small that it's hard to really see the movement the way you want to. It's just because it's always sitting at one spot, picking up, dropping down, picking up, dropping down. But that line itself helps me kind of see that, oh, okay, it's picking up, or it's slowing down. And if the market sits there too long, something's telling me, okay, I'm gonna get up out of this. Like if this thing doesn't move at all, like it's just sitting there for like the next 10 minutes, maybe that's an indication that this market doesn't want to go. But that's just it. I don't like using indicators. Like I don't like want to put like a volume indicator down here. I don't want to put a fixed volume indicator right here. It's too. I don't like too much on my screen. Like if I have too much on my screen, I want to get rid of it. Okay, see, watch. It might start picking up once this thing starts speeding up. And sometimes I might drag it up just to kind of see if it's going to pick up. See? Yeah. That's what I use it for. Play's looking really good. Play's looking really, really good. We gonna see though. All right, you got right here. Looking really good. Hey, I like it clean. You know, I mean, not too much, not too much. This is to me, this is decent. This is pretty decent. And I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna set no profit target. I think that's it. I might just get rid of this and let this thing run all the way to previous week high, all the way to previous week high. Unless you're nervous that this market doesn't want to go. Okay, see? Now it's picking up. This thing is about to pick up. So I might put a stop. I might just break even. I don't want to risk nothing else. I might just put it like right here and let it be. There we go. Now if you want to take out, I would say first TP would be right here or right here. If you want your first TP to be right here, first TP, TP1, more power to you. Clone it. I cloned it. Where's it at? Oh, clone. There we go. If you want TP1 to be right one of these, more power to you. I'm gonna let it hold though. Ooh. 15 minutes about to print, y'all. So be careful. We got 1 minute left on this 15 minute. Like, think about it. We got 1 minute left on the 15. So if we don't get no. Also on on the 15 minute and 30 minute, we have 1 minute left. See if we can get some more continuation on this trade. I like how we taking out this low. We have this block right here. We're gonna see. This looks good. This looks really, really good. Yes, sir. Nice trade if you in it. Me personally, I might take this all the way up to previous week high, which is also previous day high. This is previous day high, right? Previous day high and previous week high, right? See if we can sweep that. I mean, it don't have to, you know. It don't have to do that. But we're gonna see. That's my target. We still got so much time left on this 4 hour. So 15 minute. Yeah, there we go. Break even on this. Think. Let me get rid of this. Also, we got this opening range break. Remember that. So we might respect this opening range high right here. I mean, this opening range high. The first 15 minutes of the opening range. And might hold it and go long. We also got this. Now be careful. You don't want to see us come back down into this fair value gap. Because you might lose profit. If you want to take off partials, take off partials. It's all you want. What you want to do. Me personally, I'm just gonna hold it. I'm gonna just keep my stop at the lows. Just keep my stop at the lows, just in case I want to drop back down to this fair value gap, which is going to be an inversion right now. Call this inversion. Incision. I'm gonna call it bouncy. Just in case. Right? Just in case. 15 minutes just print it. Right? 15 minutes just print it. 30 minutes just print it. And we did not get above, but this thing can still continue. Yes, OBS will, OBS will allow you to stream like this. I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing so you can see it. So this is my charts, right? These are my charts, right? These are my charts, and this is when I press OBS. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, hold up. Am I looking at it? Right there. OBS. I press it, and this is what it looks like. And I'm streaming right now, so you can see it. I got my tabs. I got my sources. Okay, I gotta get a more stronger. Hold up. Yeah, that's not working. Amazing. Hold on. Yeah, so I got my sources, which all tabs. I mean, if I want to get rid of something in the stream, let's see, like this. Let's say if I wanted to get rid of this. Hold on. Like, see that? I can get rid of it. I got my thing if I want to click to, if I want to get off the screen. See? If I want to just get off. Get me back on live. Pretty simple. Pretty simple stuff. No problem, no problem. We continue to push. Nah, I don't like that. Okay, now we're hitting TP1. If you want either one to beat TP1, whatever you want, that's it. That was the move. I'm still holding. I'm gonna just hold this market. Yeah. Might drop right here. So if you want to take off partials right here, that'd be it. If not, maybe hold on to the next one and then take off. That'd be it too. Let me get rid of this. I don't need that. All right, let's see. What else? What else? Yeah, that's it. All right, so we hit both TPs, and we got no candle underneath this. I mean, we have no wick, no legit wick. Like this wick is literally like small as day. But oh, we pushing. You know, I like using my little trailing drawdown to give it like a nice little pop. You know, to see if it's gonna push. I don't like too many indicators. I'm not a fan of them. RSI, relative strong index, fixed volume. I'm not a fan of them too much. It's too much looking around and looking left and right. I don't like doing it. So we took out those highs, right? That could have been your first TP. Some pranks. I can't, man. Pranks, okay. If you want me to do a prank, what kind of prank? Wow, we just took out those highs. You might see a drop, y'all. Back into this opening range break. Let me get rid of this. All right. Back into this opening range break. That was your first TP. If you took partials right here, good job. If you didn't, bad job. Bad job. Bad job. Look at that. We're not even printing above. We just swept the highs. Okay? Even though we swept the highs, let's see now. The next thing is like, what do? Do we respect this inversion, this bouncy trampoline right here? I'm gonna call it bouncy trampoline. Do we respect this bouncy trampoline? Right? Make it white. Or do we respect this opening range break and continue for the longs? We're gonna see. Does the market wants to come down after we printed, took out those highs? Do we want to come back down to this trampoline, or do we want to come down right here and respect this opening range break and continue long? Can't do gold digger prints, bro. I can't do that because putting my trust in the Lord is not allowing me to do this. I can't. I just can't. I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. I spread the word every morning. I gotta live by the word. I can't be just seers and hearers of the word. I have to do what it says. If I'm gonna trust in the Lord with all of my heart, I can't be doing gold digger pranks. I can't be doing cheating pranks. I can't do lustful pranks. I'm gonna have to delete those videos off my channel anyway because this is not good. I have to. I'm gonna delete them. I haven't got to them because it's a lot of videos to delete. Imagine trying to delete 3,000 videos. That's a lot. You know, that's a lot of videos to delete. But I can't do it no more, man. I had to put my faith and trust in Jesus. Yeah. I don't know, man. You put your faith and trust in the Lord, He gonna establish. He gonna supply everything you need. You put your faith and trust in Jesus Christ, He will supply for you. He will be efficient for you, sustaining for you. He will give you all you need. You will be lacking nothing. If I start saying, you know, I could do this prank, I could do that prank, and it's not bringing y'all no good, it's just bringing y'all entertainment, then I'm not bringing you to the... Hey, for sure. For sure. What in the world? Somebody at the door? I'll be right back. Okay, doggy. Wow. It just taps it and just bounces, man. Hey, we're gonna see. Nah, I'm like, what was that? You know what? Let me see something. Let me drag this up. See what happens right here. Ooh, wait a minute. Okay, 15 minute. 45, 5 minute. Okay. Huge imbalance right here. Let me put this back. Let me see something real quick. 5 minute right here. Right here. Okay. Do we want to come back down to this 5 minute? Bounce off this and then continue? We're gonna see. Might see a lot of sideways. If we can get that same pattern again, right? Same pattern. We just did it. Literally, right here, we just did it. And accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Right? Can we do the same thing right here? Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. But we don't have no. We have this is the block, but it's a little wonky. We're gonna see. You don't have to though. Market just moving sideways in this little range. I think we're hitting some liquidity right now. Let me look at it on a 5 minute. Yeah, we hitting some ceiling. Look at this. All this stuff, we're just bouncing in and out of this. So we're gonna see. Oh, that's a no. All right, there we go. That looks good. We still in this trade though. Still in the trade. I was hoping that we'll come in feeling some imbalance right here, but I guess not. As soon as, bro, we literally just tapped the opening range and just took off. We like literally tapped it. Wait a minute. Hey, yo. 30-second block right here. Respect it right here. Bop. It went back to the highs. Wow. Bro, I made this channel for my lady, but not for the tomfoolery. YouTube is a great platform. Bro, I made this channel for my lady. That's what's up. You holding to 23,930, 23,930, 20. Hey, I like that. Let's see. What's at 23,930? Let's see. 23,930, 23,930. Bop. Do we have any? Yeah, we got some liquidity up here. Bop. What else do we have? Do we have a block? Do we have? Let's see. Oh yes. Oh, and you got a 15 minute up here, bro. And you got a wick right here, bro. That's nice. That's nice. Let me go ahead and extend this to the right for you. Right there. Got a liquidity right here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you got some stuff up there. That's good. Yeah. This thing is shooting to the moon, bro. This thing is yeah. No, I understand. Yeah, it's a good trade. I mean, we hit TP1 and TP2 TP1 like 20 times, y'all. You know, this is my TP. I'm stopping at the previous day high just in case we do some crazy drop. You know, you never know. Something might happen. You know, the day ain't even over with. But we might take out these highs and hit the ceiling right here. Yeah, we about to hit it. Dang, we about to hit it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this thing about to take off. Uh-oh. See. Yeah. You know what? Let me get rid of this. I like using it a lot. You know what? Let me actually add more to it. 150 tick movement. There we go. And that was a good trade. I ain't gonna lie, that was a good trade. I'm actually surprised with myself. I'm gonna be honest. I ain't gonna lie. When I get into these trades, I get a little shaky. I'm gonna be honest. I get shaky. Cause I have a feeling that when that volume kicks in, and you know what's crazy? This is what I was talking about. When there's really no news, like you said, there's no news. Those are the good times to trade the market because you see consistent movement. You don't see volatile movement. You don't see crazy drops, crazy. You know what I'm saying? You don't see crazy wicks and slippage. You see real development, real more. The market gives you more information. I like it. I like it. Looking good. Looking good. Somebody right here that's trying to get into the market, like, you know, so okay, so you put yourself in somebody else's shoes. For real, it's definitely a great, like you say, that you're right. It's a great time to learn. You put yourself in somebody's shoes right now. Somebody says, I missed this bottom right here. Somebody right now says, you know what? I missed this. I missed this move. The market's up here. What can I do to get into this market? Somebody might hesitate to get into this market. They may see it to that they don't want to get in because it's so extended. But what I do if I was late into this market right now, let's say if I got out of it and I say, oh man, I want to get in, man, this market is taking off. We got a fair value gap right here. You know, I don't know what's going to happen. I would probably wait to this high, see if it can come back down and bounce and go back higher. That's probably what would be my next thing. So if anybody's watching that's not in this market right now, I see that we got this high right here. If this candle, this 1 hour does print at this high, we might see a drop. We might see another drop, come back down, and then continuation going back up to the highs. Or we might push. So what would I do if I was to get into this market right now? Would I get into this market right now? What would I get into this market? I'll let you know after this 5-minute print. Once it's 5-minute print, I'll let you know. 15-minute prints, I'm sorry. 15-minute prints. Because we're approaching that macro time. So if I was you, if I was anybody, if it was me to get into this market right now and I didn't get in at this short, I would do something like this and come up to this high just to be safe. Just to be safe. We got a fair value gap right here on the 3-minute. And we also got a block. Right? Let me get rid of these highs right here. This is just confusion. Got this block right here. Trading view is lagging? No way. No way. Trading view lagging? Wow. Okay. Okay. 15 minutes about to print in a second. There we go. Broke the highs. Still got this high to take out. Yeah, it's gonna try to pump. Yeah, man, it's gonna be hard to get into a play like this. Unless it came back down. Unless it came back down and respected. That's the only way I get back into the trade. And then there's no AMD in this, you know? There's like literally no AMD in this. Unless if this market's sideways like this and it come down, then I'll take it. I would go for a move right here. But if it continues to grind higher, I'll probably wait till this right here. We'll see. We'll see. 1 hour prints in 14 minutes. 1 hour prints in 14 minutes. Gotta be real careful right here, y'all. Once we hit that previous week high and that previous day high, we might see a big drop. Gotta be really careful right here. Maybe my service. I went risk-free just in case of the foolery. Oh, yeah, for sure. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with being risk-free. It's better than being down on the day. I pick break even any day. That's the hard part about this, man. This market, you will get into 1 micro right here. You'll get into 1 micro right here. 1 micro right here, and this market will just take off. And then you're like, man, I want to add more, but where do I add? And you will hope that they will come back into a fair value gap and bounce and then respect and then go long. But then the thing is, they don't give it to you. That's the catch about this market. It tries, when you see volume like this and then it comes down with this red wick and it doesn't come back down, you just know it's going to continue to go long. The market is doing the market will do a great job to give people not a chance to get into this market. So when a move happens, it literally do anything in its power to not get nobody else in. It will just continue to go or go down or go up. And that's what we see. I was hoping they'll come back down, but with this man. Good thing I went with 5. So you got to make sure when you go into this market, what are you willing to risk? So let's say right here, right? Let's say I got in right here, right? I got in right here at 5. I want to put my stop at the lows of this, probably down here. How many ticks is that? From my entry to this low, that's 100 ticks. And I got in right here. So I probably would have put my stop at this low. That's 78 ticks. How many ticks how much would I have lost? Actually, I can just pull it up. What am I doing? Duh. You gotta ask yourself, are you willing to risk that 190 or 200? Would you willing to risk that 190 or 200 on this move? Let's say if it was 5 ticks. Let's say it was let's say if it was 10 micros and you put your stop right here. Are you willing to risk 380? Are you willing to risk 380 on this move to have a nice move right here all the way up to this high? You know? You never ask the question, how much I'm getting. You always want to ask, how much does it cost? That's the name of the game. How much does it cost me to take this trade? Because scaling in a market is a different skill within itself. Scaling in a market is a different skill within itself. If you're going to take the trade and it takes off like this, you want to make sure that you're in the trade. Unless you want to play it safe. If you want to play it safe, 1 micro, and that's all you want to risk is like 1% of your account, that's good. That's a perfect, I would say that's perfect. But if you want, man, I really want to make money. I really want to make a profit. You know, what are you willing to risk in this trade right here? What are you willing to risk? That 190? If you're going in 10 micros, 380, are you willing to risk that and say, you know what, I'm willing to accept that loss? How much does it cost to take this trade? For real, how much does it cost? You don't ask the question on how much you're getting. You're asking how much it costs you to take that trade, because you're not trying to look to be right in this market. You don't want to be. You're not looking to be right. You're just looking at the probability of if the play says up. I'm sorry, if the play sets up, right, and you're like, okay, this play looks really good. It's consolidating. There's a block. It comes down to the block. It respects the block. I want to get into a long. And then you're asking yourself, man, where's my stop? Is your stop going to be down here? Are you willing to risk 285 or 650 on this trade or 580 on this trade with 5 micros or 10 micros? What are you willing to risk on this trade to go up for these highs and take your profit, right? Take your first TP, which is TP. What are you willing to risk? And this will be 540. Wow, that would be 540. Oh my goodness. So always ask that question. How much does it cost you? How much does it cost? Me, I would put my stop tight. I like tight stops. All right, here we go. 1 hour about to print in 9 minutes. 5 minutes coming down. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. How much does it cost me? It's the word of the day. You don't have to be right. You just have to have high probability that the market wants to go that way. That's why I went into 5. Because if I would have went into like 20, oh my goodness, imagine 20. If I would have went 20 micros on this, let's see, 20 micros at the stop, 700. Let's say if you did 20 micros is 2 minis, which is 10. So 10 times 70 is 700. You're risking 700, and if you're willing to risk 700, half of your 50K account or 100K account or 150K account, you gotta eat that. You gotta accept that. Once you risk that much, you have to accept the fact that that's not mine no more. Whatever you're willing to risk or whatever is willing to cost you is what you're willing to say, you know what, that's not mine no more. If it's gonna cost you 500 to be stopped out, that 500 was never yours in the first place. So accept that that was what it was, right? You can't get mad if you lose. You can't get mad if it hits your stop. You said it, that you willing to risk this. Like I said right here, I said 5 micros. I'm willing to risk 182. I'm willing to risk my 182 of my account to take this TP, take this trade all the way up to this TP. So always ask yourself, how much does it cost? And are you willing to accept that 50-50? 50 that you might lose it and 50 that you might profit from it. All right. And that's going to make you a great trader. That's going to make you a really good trader if you just keep that rule. Man, they got guys out here that's willing to they got guys out here that's willing to risk 70 ticks and do 25 minis. I mean 25, like literally 15 minis. If you did 15 minis, 15 times 5 times 70, 5,200. Oh my goodness. But you just got to be confident. If you're confident enough that you're willing to risk that, hey, and take it all the way up to 211 ticks. What's 211 ticks times 15 minis? So 15 minis times 5, because every mini is $5. That's $75 times 211 ticks. You made 15,000. You risk 5,000 to make 15. You risk 200 to make 600. That's good, man. That's really good. All right, let's see. So we are in this range. Market is in this range. I still got my TP at this high. 1 hour prints in 6 minutes. We're gonna see. That's definitely the high roller table right there for sure. Yeah, but I think as we grow, as we get bigger and more lucrative in this market, we're gonna get to that point. We're gonna be sitting at those tables. I can't wait, man. We're gonna get there. I just don't want to risk too much money, because if I risk too much money, then I'm gonna be in my room boo-hooing for real. I'm gonna be literally on the floor in my room crying and praying for a second chance. All right. Just waiting, just to see if this market give us some more. Yeah. That's what's up. That's cool. Trading is I don't know. Roughly, I've been trading for roughly 3 years. Roughly trading futures 3 years, but crypto and investing stocks since 2018, 2019. But no trading. Like, I didn't understand candles. I understand highs and lows in 2018, 2019, but trading just roughly 3 years. Pretty small time. I'm gonna put this on a 30-minute. Yeah. I see some of these guys who trade for 14 years. Some of these guys trade for 10 years. I'm like, wow. Like how did you even know about futures and options even 10 years ago? Like, I was too busy trying to do the best prank 10 years ago, man. Like, come on. How do y'all know this stuff? I ain't gonna lie, trading has taught me a lot of financial literacy. It has taught me a lot about my emotions. Oh man, I was so bad. Oh man, I've put thousands of dollars into this market when I first started off and just blew it. Oh, man. So my goal for this market, yeah, trading has changed you completely. Hey, for sure, that's true. It will literally change your whole perspective on money, how you treat money, how you handle your emotions. You know, just your whole psychology of money, your literacy, your patience. It will handle your. It will help with. It either will worsen your anger or help your anger. And I've seen some. I ain't gonna lie, I've seen some angry days. I've seen some angry days, man. I mean, whew. But God, man, God, I thank God for just getting me through it. I thank God for the people that He brought in my life to help shape my trading. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes into that 1 hour and 1 hour prints. Wow, this is looking really good. This looks really good. This market right here, this right here looks really good. We're about to see though. Man, I'm so hungry. Uh-oh. It can get heavy. If you want to take out right now, you can. If you want to. Because remember that 1 minute is about to print in literally 1 hour is about to print in 1 minute. So you want to be careful right here. If we do take out this liquidity bounce right here, because you might come back down to this. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We can have a nice little drop back down to this trampoline. I might add more if we respect. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Ooh, this is a tricky market, you know. The reason why I say it's a tricky market is because we got so much to fill in such a short period of time. So I want to be careful right here, just in case we do come back down, like right here. Like let's say we come back down and tap into this and break our low and then bounce. That's I don't want to see something like that. But we don't have the volume. If the volume picks up, we might see a short. I don't want to see us come down. I'm gonna call this the red zone, danger zone, the danger zone. You know. Okay. 1 hour just printed. Here we go. Let's look at this. Definitely can eat right now. All right. 1 hour just printed. We tap out some liquidity. We break the high. I'm gonna just put a bunch of gibberish on the screen just to see. You might see us come back up and then just drop. We're gonna see. 15 minute, 50% of that candle right there. Let's see on the 1 hour. Let me bring this back up right here. See if we come back up into this range and drop. We're gonna see. 5 minute block right here. I'm not. It's not strong to me. I don't like how it don't look strong. It looks like we want to come back down into this range right here. We're gonna see. 5 minute block right there. Put this right here. We're gonna see. Like this can't. Ooh. 30 minute. This 30 minute. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I might have to get rid of something. This. I'm getting rid of this. So I don't know what that is. Oh, that was the fair value gap for the 2 minute. 3 minute. Okay. 5 minute. Ooh. I'm about to get rid of this. All right, 5 minute. I don't like this. This don't look good to me. Are we rejecting off this block? Taking out some liquidity. Gonna see. 15 minute right here. Aye. Uh-oh. Here we go. I still want to see these highs get taken out. Cause look on the daily, it looks so good, like it wants to. Look, see, like it wants to go take it out. But I just don't want to see us drop all the way down to the zone just to feel it. Just to feel it. I don't want to see us come all the way down here just to feel it. Oh, we have this block. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. Just right here. Okay, this is a block right here. Look at the 15-minute. Okay. Let's see if we can respect this area. If we can respect this, let's see. If we can respect this, that'd be nice. I want to see us respect. So my next thing right now is to see if we can respect this trampoline, this little bouncy right here, and respect this opening range break. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I'm not about to risk no profits. We're gonna keep it right there. We're gonna lose like $10. So let's go see 5-minute. See if we can come down here. If you want to add more, that's on you. I'm gonna add more if you respect this. I'm just letting you know. I'm gonna add more if you respect this. But just be careful. Remember, it's at your own risk because this market can't drop. Why am I saying be careful? One is because we didn't break this 1 hour. Two, we didn't break on the 30-minute. 15-minute we did, but I just don't like the candle. I don't like this. Because it looks like we want to come down heavy. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. If we come back down into this, I want to see if we're gonna respect this. Yeah, it's about to get heavy. It's about to get heavy. Here we go. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. I did not notice something. Hold on. Oh snap. Hey yo, be careful right here. 30-minute fair value you got right here. 30-minute fair value you got right here. Oh snap. Uh-oh. Okay. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Look at that. Look how we're stand above. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna take all this, just all this stuff off. Look how we printed below the 30-minute on the 30-minute. We're gonna see. This could be a tricky play right here. We're gonna see. Ooh, that's tough. That's tough. Still gonna hold though. I respect this halfway point right here. We might see a big drop. We might see it. We're gonna probably see a big drop. Check out the lows. We're gonna see. 5 minutes just printed. Excuse me. Wow, it's really consolidating. Unbelievable. I just don't believe it. I really don't believe that this market wants to continue. Just yet. I don't believe it. So if we got a 30-minute, do we have a 15-minute? No. 5-minute? No. And we didn't take out these highs yet? Huh. Got a block right here. See, block. Ooh. Ooh. We're gonna see. Just let the market do what it does. And we might add more. We're gonna see. Might play some different music. Yeah, there's like literally no volume in this market. Excuse me. Amazing. Oh, guys, come on. Wow, this volume just went off. There's like no volume now. Okay. Wow. Okay. I guess it wanted to go up. Oh, snap. I guess it was ready to go up. Respected the 30-minute. We'll see. I'm shocked. I mean, still got a wick, like no wick on this candle though. With a gap, it's crazy. See that? Yeah, it's like literally no wick on this candle. Even on the 2-minute. Even on the 1-minute. We're gonna see. Might just wick it and then continue. We're gonna see. Allergies. 2 minutes left on the, well, 2:30 on the 2 minutes, 30 minutes on the 30 seconds on the 15. Couple of minutes left on the 15. Two minutes left. I have a feeling that this thing is going to just take off. Ooh. Uh-oh. Two minutes left. One minute left. It's a funny market, man. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, see you in a few. Here we go. 10 seconds left and the candle's about to print. Whoa, what in the dots? Oh, you're going for 950. Come on, come back into this block. 15 minutes probably have to print before it can take off again. Let me go to my other account and lock it out. Yeah, you're locked out. Come on, come on. Here we go. It's a tricky market. I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes to print before I take another trade. I mean, if I add more, I think I'll be adding it too early. So I'm gonna wait till like the 15-minute prints, unless we like literally just going to the highs. Just have a feeling that we may not bounce right here and go. We're gonna come down to this gap. I really don't like how this 30-minute looks. I really don't like it. I don't like this. But we'll see. I'm gonna be getting off soon too. I'm gonna wait another 15 and that's it. Six more minutes left until the 15 prints. Hey, yo, what in the world? What the world is this? No way, that's crazy. Heck nah. Nah, come on, bro. What is that? Glitchy. See that? You gotta be kidding me. No way it bounced off this, bro. No way. We're gonna see. Think the player's setting up. Few more minutes, I'm gonna get off. I'm waiting for this counter to print, the 15-minute to print, and then I will see if the trade sets up. And if it sets up, I will take more. I will add more contracts. If it don't, then I'm just get off and take the profits that I got. Put my stop at like a break even or a low. That's the next move. I don't know why, but I think my throat is a little. 2 minutes left. Almost 1 minute left. Wow, it really just bounced. What kind of move was that, though? Ugh. $20 left. Here we go. See what happens on this 15-minute candle. It's gonna end up red. You have to end red. Come on. Wow. 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 I don't know what to say about that. I don't know what to say. I'm guessing this is the continuation. Man, can we just sweep? Can we sweep this and then go back up? It's crazy. I don't understand. This market is choppy. The volume is a little low, so I can expect it to be really choppy, but it looks like it wants to take off. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. we go. 5 minutes just print it. Check out the highs, and then we're dropping. Ooh, let's see what happens right here. Ooh, wait a minute. Man, this volume is bad. Hello, Deontay. Deontay, good to see you in the chat. Going pretty good, pretty good. I know yours probably going well because you lurking in the chat. Jump see if you're going to get this TP, y'all. I want to see us take out this previous week high and this previous day high. I would like to see that happen. But we're just constantly fumbling. Okay, there we go. It's a chop fest right here, huh? Man, this is chop. I'm just trying to get out of here. Might have to go walk away. Just being Deontay, yep. That's all you can be. Might have to go walk away and go get some food or something, because this is crazy. No volume. Sideways, just in this range. Bouncing around. Yeah, we gotta at least put a wick on this, bro. They ain't gonna just allow it to be like no wiki right here. man. Take off. Macro time is approaching. Can we get that bounce? We at the 30-minute. I just want to see us push. At the 30-minute. Hit these highs, hit these lows, hit that imbalance. I mean, hit that fair value gap at the halfway point of the 30-minute, right? 30-minute halfway point, hit the block. 5-minute. Let's come on. Let's print here and then might add more right here, honestly. If we hold this. If we hold this. Well, this is trickery. Be honest with you. Yeah. 15 minute in 2 minutes already? Hey, yo, we just had the 15-minute. It's already 15 minutes? Oh my goodness, time is flying. Alright, so if that's the case, 15-minute, it's about to print. 2 minutes left. I want to see us hold this. If we can hold this, oh my goodness. Cha-ching. To the tippy top. Ugh, my arrow was ugly. Wow. Yeah, I'm not good at doing that. Let me see. Let's see right here. Let's see what this do. Okay, yeah, okay. Ew. Never mind. One minute left. See if we can get that continuation. Ooh. Okay. I think I see what's going on. Let me put my stop at the lows. 15 minutes about to print. I think I see what's going on. Yeah, hold up. Beat. Hit. Let's see. Does it have to? That's the question. 1 minute left. Does it have to? 15-minute. Do we have to come out, take out this wick, bounce right here, and then go? Does it have to do it? 30 seconds left. $20 seconds left. Yo, what is this? What? Bro, what is that, bro? Come on. We can't be doing that, bro. There it is. Alright, there it is. Alright, here we go. That's why I put my trailing stop a little lower, just in case we do drop. But this is gonna be tough. I hope the drop ain't that big. This is not even a block. This is scary. Rejection. Broke. Can we have that? Can we have that? Ooh. Here we go. I had a feeling this was coming. One more second. I'm gonna let this thing print. One more second. I'm gonna keep it a tight stop. I'm gonna keep it a tight stop. I'm gonna risk 280, 282 on that. Actually, I'm gonna go even lower. Ooh. Ooh. Big rejection. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Calm, chill, 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 chill. It's going for them lows. It's probably going for that low right here. We wanna see. Chill, chill. Chill, chill. Big sweep right there. Gotta be careful right here. Off the energy. This is a serious one right here. Okay, okay. I'm gonna do 15. I'm gonna do 20, 10. See if we respect this. Please respect this. Just respect this. Oh man. Oh man. What's it on 30? Yo, hold on, wait a minute. See? Okay. Ah. That's tough. That's tough. That right there was some of my indication that we were shorting. Okay. 5-minute prints in 30 seconds. Ew. Yeah, I don't like it. I might have to get up out of this. I don't like it. I don't like how it look. I don't like. I just honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't like how it looks. I don't like it. I don't like it. I mean, I ain't gonna say I'm gonna take out, but I'm waiting for that 5 minutes to print. The reason why I don't like it is I don't see us on a 30-minute coming back up here unless we come back down here. I might get out of this, bro. I'm gonna take out. I'm taking out. I'm calling it. I'm calling it quits. Let me see 5 minute. See, I don't like this. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I might just keep a tight stop. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah. I don't like the way it looks. See what? Yeah, I don't like how it looks. Yeah, I don't like it. How we rejected right here. If we can't hold this fair you got, I'm getting out of it. I'm about to keep a tight stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. Real tight stop. I'm not getting out just yet. I'm still holding. Okay. 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 Just make it show. Okay. Okay. I just didn't like this 30-minute. I don't like how we came back down underneath this. I don't like that 1 hour either. Okay. Oh, on a 1 hour we printed right here. Let's see. 5 minutes. Yeah, I mean, well, still holding. You didn't get out yet, huh? Off the energy. Did you get out? Don't tell me you got out yet. No. Just want to be. I want to be sure that I'm not risking too much because I am in 15. I mean, I like it, but then I just don't like that. I don't like the higher time frame. I don't like how it looks. Okay, 851 still holding. 851 still holding. That's my guy. Still holding. He says he said what? No sweat. No sweat. No sweat. Especially off this bounce right here. He said we're breaking no sweat. My guy. And we taking out these highs? Let's go. And I'm in 15. That's what I'm talking about. Still gotta be careful though. I like this. I would love to see this 4-hour sweep this high. I would love to see it. I would love to see the 1-hour sweep this high. I just don't like how this looks. It almost like it wants to print right here and then go up. And I'm afraid that I don't want to see us drop. Please get back above. If we can get back above, I'll be highly happy. 23,940. Okay, okay. I'm going for that previous week high, bro. That's it. Okay. Man, this this market is funny. Honest with you, be honest with you, if we don't respect this opening range break, I might take our partials. If we don't respect this opening range break, I might take our part. Okay. I like that break right there. Okay. Okay. Hold up. Okay. It's respecting. Look at that. Block, right? Respect on the thing, right? Swept. Okay. Block. Okay. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, well. Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, okay, okay. I like it. I like it. Just keep going. Just keep going. Yeah. Just keep going. Don't please disrespect that. Just disrespect that. Yes. Whew. Man, did we wait. I almost changed my plan too because I was afraid of this volume. I didn't like how crazy it got. I just didn't like how it looked when we was at this 30-minute. I didn't like this. Even though we broke it, I just didn't like it. Yeah, this looks good now. About time, man. It took 10 years to see it. Bro, we can get above this candle right here. Oh my goodness. You know what time it is? We get above this. Oh, we get above this. Man, I don't know. I'm trying to think of something. I'm trying to think of a cool. Yeah. Come on. If you can get above this right here, bro, you know what time it is? You know what time it is? If we get above that, oh my goodness. Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's still good. That's still good. That's still decent. We're above that fair value gap. I ain't mad at it. We still above the fair value gap. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. Right? I'm cool with it. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. For a second I was like this. You know, for a second I was like, oh heck nah, man. But now you're like, hey, you know, we look at like this right now. At first it was like this. Now we're like, you know, yeah, it looks good. Let's go. I'm feeling it. Feeling it. All right. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. That wick was crazy. That wick was crazy. Yup. Nice liquidity grab, bounce. I like that. Man, man. Just hold this fair value gap. Might even keep a tighter stop, honestly. Keep a tighter stop. Preserve some capital. We in there. What time frame? I don't know. Any time frame. I don't know, bro. Oh, just how that 30-minute was just scary to me because the 30-minute, we had a 30-minute fair value gap. I just didn't like how we didn't break and we came down so drastically. But I like how we swept the lows and respected these fair value gaps. And at the 15-minute, we hit this block. So 15-minute block, swept the lows, swept this right here. 15-minute block. See, I like that. And we respected this block right here too. This looked good. I was scared for a second because I didn't like that volatility is what got me. It's when I saw this. 1 minute looked good right here. It just, that looked good on 30-second. Actually, you know what? It looked good. I got scared for nothing. This looked really great. This looked really great. I got scared for nothing. I thought we was going to literally just plummet. You know? Literally plummet and take it out. Also, what else? What else? Look how we respected this opening range break. Look on the 1 minute. Opening range break is respected, right? Look at that. We're going to the moon now. I'm taking all this off, y'all. I'm out of here. Let's go. Hey, opening range break got respected. So we good to go. See that? On the top of it? Opening range break. First 15 minutes of the market open, right? Look how we, on the 1 minute, we stayed above it. Could have added more right here. It's looking good. It's looking really good. Added more. I already added more at the bottom though. Let's go. And y'all gonna see TP. Oh man, talk about patience. It pays to wait. 1 minute left on the 15. Come on, 15. You gotta get up there, bro. We did all this work, bro. Look at this 15-minute. I like how we building the cross on the 15 too. Look how we building the cross. Like it's not trying to break this. That looks good. I like how we bounce like this 15. I like how we swept this low right here. That looks good. We got 1 minute left on the 15-minute and 1 minute left on the 30-minute. So this could be a good hold. But we're gonna see. Because the catch is, what is it? We're in this range. We're still in this range, and we haven't broke higher. We made lower lows. Even though we swept the lows, we did this. I don't want to see this. You know, I don't want to see that. Ugh, that's ugly. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for even showing that. I didn't want to see this. There we go. I don't want to see this. All right, hold on. Let me change the color of that. Hold on, wait a minute. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to see lower lows. Because we're about to print in like a minute, right? So what I'm about to do is, I'm about to take off partials. I'm going to preserve some capital. 14 seconds left on the 15. And on the 30. Even though we're at this block and we're staying above, I don't want to see it come back down. 6 seconds left. Here we go. I'm sweeping. I'm taking out partials. I'm in 5 left. I'm in 5 left. Just to preserve some capital. See? It's like we're making lower lows in the smaller time frame. I don't like that. We had high, we didn't sweep. We had another high, we swept. We're gonna see. I don't like that. We're gonna see though, you know? Don't mind me. I like how we building across. I like how we swept this low. I like how this 15-minute break. And I also like on the 1 minute how we stayed above on this opening range break. The catch is, I just don't like the fact that we're building lower. And the thing is, we're not sweeping the highs. I would have been so much happier if we swept the highs. I would have been so much happier if we would have swept these highs. But we didn't. We swept the lows and then we just came back down. We're going to see. We still got time. And then I'm about to hop off. I am exhausted. I thought I'd probably stream for like 3 hours. Okay. Man, no volume can be fun and boring at the same time. You know what? Off the energy, I'm exhausted, bro. I'm about to hop off. I took my partials. I didn't want to overtrade just in case this market doesn't want to get up here today. I think I'm done for the day. I'm exhausted, man. I'm exhausted. But anyways, y'all, I hope y'all had a great day. I'm gonna let this market run. I'm gonna put my stop at break even. Stop is at break even. I'm gonna let this run. Hey, do your thing, bro. Whatever you do. We're gonna get it tomorrow though. We're gonna keep getting it every day. Monday through Friday, we're not gonna stop. If you want to, you want to. If you don't have to, you don't have to. Whatever you do, I just don't want to influence too much. I don't want to be too much of an influence, but more power to you. I pray that God gives you discernment, gives you understanding. I pray that He helps you see what you can do to optimize the best trade. But I'm about to go ahead and get this word out for y'all. Let's see. Right here we got Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all of your ways, seek His will, and He will show you the right path. Keep God on your mind. Keep God in your heart, and you will be established, guys. God bless y'all. I am tired. I'm about to go eat, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a good one.